The best part about being a John Deere technician would be the wide variety of work you carry out. One day you could be in the workshop carrying out a repair, the next you could be 2 hours away in the forest fixing a machine on a breakdown. I'm Liam G. I'm a construction and forestry technician at Drummond and Etheridge in Blenheim, New Zealand. Growing up I always liked machines, grew up around Dad had trucks and diggers and stuff, and always liked working out how things worked. So approached my local branch manager and turned into work experience, and then a few months of that was an apprenticeship, and yeah, I've been there ever since. Techawall's experience has been great, met a heap of cool new people, learned a few new things as well.
The winner of the 2024 Construction Forestry Service Technician of the Year for New Zealand is Liam Gee from Drummond and Etheridge in Blenheim.
It's an honour and a privilege to be here today to receive this award. I never really thought this would be something that had happened, to be honest. It feels amazing, quite shocking actually. And just to thank the people that have helped me get here. There's been a lot of people behind the scenes that have helped, whether that's service managers, branch managers, other techs in the dealerships and stuff like that. Some goals would probably be to just gain more knowledge on more machines. The machines will always be evolving, so it keeps us on our toes. If someone was thinking about becoming a John Deere tech, I'd say don't be afraid to take chances. If the opportunity is there to try something new, give it a go, because it may lead to something exciting.